So the question is on limits. Limit x is 0, sine square x upon root 2 minus root 1 plus cos x. What will be the answer? Root 2, 2, 4 or 4 root 2? So basically we'll first rationalize the denominator, which will result into minus 1 plus cos x, which will result in 1 minus cos x. So the formula is this is the formula of 1 minus cos x, which you have to remember only. After doing this, we'll again divide 2 sine square x by 2 and sine x by 2 upon x by 2 whole square into 1 by 4, which will result in 4 by 2 root 2 plus root 1 plus 1, which is 4 root 2. Hence the answer D.